Bilibili app, all your 5 videos. So let's just install it to see how it works. So just double click to install it. Welcome Bilibili, ultimate home for anime fans, game addicts, tech geeks, culture lovers. Ever dreamed of a place where you could binge anime edits, watch live esports with Danmu, bullet comments, and dive into ancient Chinese poetry all in a single afternoon? So yeah, that's like a big community. Everything in here, so you can just see the details. You can see the app is 516 megabytes. Yeah, bringing language gaps. So there is AI dubbing. That's why this app is growing into the charts. And now you can just go and see it in here. So there are all these videos. You can try to watch them. Then you can just follow. You can create an account with password Apple, Google, Facebook. Then there are messages, then there is your account, then there are settings, account profile. So that's basically what you have in here. So that's the app. Again, you need to start watching videos and enable AI dubbing. And then I think it should be good. Otherwise, everything is kind of in Japanese, or is it Chinese? So then there is some kind of support, but sometimes you can screenshot and just use Google Translate app to see the settings to change the language, if it's possible. So just upload the photo to Google Translate app and it will translate from the screenshot. So there you have it.